Hey guys, the George Floyd Parks After Dark. We are here at the contemporary lobby area. It is check-in time. But what's more important, it's Easter. What does that mean, Easter? It means one of 4 places has Easter eggs. The contemporary has Easter eggs. And no, this is not an Easter egg. However, this is made by the chefs and bakery people of Disney. It is fantastic. They have done a Muppet theme, and this is just amazing. So they're there. There's your hecklers. They got a lot of
Statler and Waldorf.
the name Statler and Waldorf. And show you. Randy, Kubisa, and Donald did it.
And Desiree.
And Desiree, I think, probably did the creative option, but that's a huge element. Now, it's not an egg. However, there's your eggs. So there you have Molly, and his name is?
Sam Eagle.
Sam Eagle. And then there's?
Sweetums.
Sweetums. And look at that. What I love is the detail of his hair. This is all chocolate, guys. This isn't anything other than chocolate. But next, you guys know this guy really well. Kermit. Hannah and Clay did Kermit. Let me zoom in a little bit, guys. Make sure you get all the feels here. Hold on. There you go. So there's Kermit. And then there's the Swedish chef. And that is awesome. The hat is just, the detail on the hat is amazing. The mustache and the eyebrows, you gotta love. But remember the big one before? Well, look at this. Look who we got. We got a, basically, what I have to say is a life-size, full-size Miss Piggy. Eric did that, and that is awesome. Let's zoom in for a second. I want to show you the detail. Look at the dress. Now, this is chocolate. It looks like satin. It looks like silk with a bow folded. It's not. Look at the jewelry. Look at the ring on her hand. I mean, the detail work is amazing. She has eyelashes. It is just such a nice done. Erica did such a great job there. But right behind her, obviously, is our Waka Waka friend Fozzie Bear. And next is Beaker. We love Beaker. Look at him. Looks like he had a bad science experiment. Face all marked up. And next to that, Desiree did Beaker, and Desiree did
Bunsen.
Bunsen. Bunsen has the exact same coloring as Kermit. I've never noticed that. Very interesting. And then
We're
next,
using chocolate, I guess.
and then next to Bunsen, who's green, is one of my personal favorites, Animal. So there's Animal. Now, if you look, even the collar has a studded collar. It's awesome. And we'll zoom back out. So really, that is the Easter egg here. Now, what they did this year is a little different. There seems to be a slight decrease in the number of eggs, but the detail's bigger, and they brought these life-size characters in. Now, we haven't seen that in any other resorts yet. It's just here, but wanted you to see this, that they really went very heavy theme this year, and they got the much bigger elements in place. So, very impressed. It's really awesome. And we had an opportunity to come here before the crowds really got here, so you guys can see it good. That being said, guys, the George Floyd Parks After Dark, do me a big favor. Like and subscribe. We are less than 40 people away from 10,000 subscribers. Be one of those 40 and subscribe for us. Like the channel, and do me a favor, have a fantastic day. And we'll see you later. Take care.